Hey friends, there is also camel right here in WAKRAH SOUQ. What a pleasant surprise this is. Yeah, this is SAMAK AL JUNOOB. No, yeah, okay. The fish? Sea. Sherry fish, okay. Red snapper. Salmon fish, okay. And the kingfish. This lobster, crab, and tiger, tiger prawns. This is normal prawns. So finally we are receiving this combo meal. Let's see this jumbo combo meal. Hi friends, welcome to SR Exciting Vlogs ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ವಕ್ರಾ ಬೀಚಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಕ್ರಾ ಬೀಚ್. So opposite of this Wakra beach you can find lot of seafood restaurants. So we have come for the lunch this time. So me and my friend Mr. Finance also is with us. So let's go to explore the different varieties of fresh seafoods. So you can see the beach view also. It's really very beautiful. So ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಉಂಟು. So evening time is the winter is very good in Qatar. So come on friends, so I'll show the beach view also. ನೋಡಿ beach view ನೋಡಿ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ, nobody is here for at this time because this is afternoon lunch time. So you can find lot of people in the evening time. So very good time to spend here during the time of winter. See the beach. So you can find a lot of restaurants, beaches. Very good location. Hey friends, there is also camel right here in WAKRAH SOUQ. What a pleasant surprise this is. Evening time they will come around 4 p.m. Excellent experience. So finally we found this restaurant, SAMAK AL JUNOOB ante. See, yeah, they have lunch combo. So specially we came here to have this lunch combo here, SAMAK AL JUNOOB. Yeah, this is SAMAK AL JUNOOB. No, yeah, okay. Let's go in. So see the restaurant ambience inside the restaurant. Very good ambience. So you can find the live fishes also. Isn't the fish? Sea bass fish, okay. Sea bream fish, okay. Sherry fish, okay. Red snapper, okay. White snapper also, okay. White snapper. Amur fish. Dubai fish, Salmon fish, okay. And the kingfish, finally kingfish, okay. And this lobster, crab, and tiger prawns. This is normal prawns. Show me the lobster, lobster. Okay, etra idi lobster? 160 per kilo. Okay, 160 per kilo. The ambience also is very nice, guys. See the restaurant ambience. So today we are going to sit outside the restaurant and take the view of the sea, beach view. So let's sit in the beach view. Guys, we are enjoying the beach view to have the lunch and enjoy. Awesome. So finally we are receiving this combo meal. Let's see this jumbo combo meal. Soup. So we have salad items. Soup items, 2 types of soup also is there. Salad.
अरे गाइस දැන් අපේ කෑම එක ඇවිල්ලා තියන්නේ දැන් හිමින් ඒගොල්ලන් සර්ව් කරනවා පේනවද මේක නිකන් රාජකීය භෝජනයක් වගේ තියෙන්නේ
රාජ්‍ය භෝජන
අපි අද කාලා බලමු කොහොමද කියලා මේක රාජකීය කෑමක් තමයි
This is I think this is we can have 3 people I think.
I guess so. Looks so big. හරි අපි එහෙනම් බලමු කොහොමද කියලා
Okay friends, finally we received this lunch combo. So we ordered mixed combo. That is fish and chicken they have given. So this is excellent and exciting to have this combo. So last time we had in Danatil Bar I think, no? So this combo is 44 here. So worth to see the guys. The setup is Raj Bahadur. We can have like Raja. So we will start from this soup. They have given chicken soup. So let's taste this chicken soup.
prawns
This is prawns. My God, prawns. Very nice. Very nice, excellent taste. So when it was coming, it was very hot. So we had this photo shoot. So it became little hotless, cold. So we will start from the rice. So they have given 2 types of rice. One is white rice and one is Buhari rice. So we will taste from this Buhari rice first. Spices also. They have given this chili chutney and green chutney. So we will need to mix this green chutney I think. Let's just taste this green chutney. Let's taste this rice first. Buhari rice here. Very nice taste. The chutney, it's like sweet and sour. Very good combination with this rice. Feel like having because we are very hungry now. Finished with the video shoot, everything. I think white rice is as usual. So they have given ordinary. It's like white Mandhi rice. And we will taste this red chutney also. Let me try with this red chutney. They did not make too much spicy. It depends upon you. Like you can have medium spicy or you can have more spicy. So we said like medium spicy. Let's see this chili chutney. Very nice. Very nice. And we will taste this sea bass fish also. It's very big fish. See, fresh fish. I think I showed in the video in the first trip. They are giving very fresh. Every day it's fresh. Seriously, 5 minutes. I thought the Janatil Bar will be very good taste because everybody who come to WAKRAH SOUQ, they suggest this Janatil Bar. First time we came, this SAMAK Al JUNOOB. So taste is excellent, and they have given this chicken barbecue also. See, let's see this chicken taste also barbecue. Ultimate marinade. Really ultimate. They have marinated the chicken. They have soaked the masala. The intake of the chicken and the fish, the taste is very nice. Really very nice. You must visit this SAMAK Al JUNOOB. Price wise, it's really worth because this all combo is coming 44 here. So that is what we came from Doha to explore this place. Very nice. Excellent. Okay, friends. So finally, we will end this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel SR Exciting Vlogs and press the bell button icon so that you will get new video food vlogs, trending and the budget friendly. We are going. Me and Finance is hunting for budget friendly in Qatar. So thank you for watching SR Exciting Vlogs. Bye bye from Sayed Qatar. Bye.